Hey guys, it's Stuart here, and just wanted to show you quickly how you can use the appointment setting feature in the Meta Business Suite. So to do that, we just need to scroll over to the left-hand drop-down menu and click on All Tools. This will then bring up all the tools, and we need to scroll down to Sell Products and Services at the bottom of this drop-down and click on Appointments. What you will see there is your appointments and settings. Now, to create a new appointment, we just need to hover over to the right-hand side where you will see the green button Create Appointment. Click on it. It will then bring up a little pop-up where you can enter the customer name and their phone number. And then you can also select what the service is that you're going to engage with them on. And in this example, we're just going to select Facebook and Instagram marketing. We're then going to click away and we're going to set up the time in which this appointment's going to run. So let's say it runs from March 31st from 7:30 a.m. until 5 p.m. in the evening, and all on the same day. And let's make a few notes. Let's include the address and the town. And let's also make a couple of notes as well about what they want to achieve. Once we're done with that, we're just going to select the Create button. And as you can see, that example has just appeared right now in March 31st. You can see the appointment time, you can see the location, what services are being offered, and also who the customer is as well. If you want to reschedule the appointment, we just need to hover over to the reschedule button right here and click on reschedule, where you can change the date to something which suits you better and just press reschedule. If you want to cancel the appointment, just click on the cancel appointment button right here, and that will allow you to terminate the appointment that you have just scheduled. If we hover over to the settings button over here, it's just going to show you quickly some of the features that you can use in terms of a whole range of features that are related to appointments, such as your availability, the time zone that you're operating in, the appointment approval. It's important to manually approve appointments just to give you peace of mind that nothing is going wrong or getting mixed up. And also receiving the notifications as well for the appointments, having the start time display every 30 minutes, or if you want to go out further, go to 60 minutes, and really just making sure that you've got everything set up the way you want it in the settings feature. Most important thing is to also send the customer reminders as well, and make sure they get sent it on Facebook, but always follow up with them too. And then once you've done all those changes, you can just select Save Changes. And once that's been done, we just click back to the appointments one, and hey presto, that's it. So that's a quick tutorial today on how to use the appointments feature in the Meta Business Suite. Hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to smash that like button down below and consider subscribing if you're new to the channel. And I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.